In this video of coordinate geometry, we'll discuss about equation of circle and then how to find the center of equation of circle and what about the radius of circle. So basically the circle, we can define circle as the locus of all the points of the plane is equidistant from the fixed point. For example, we have one the center of circle. So from center of circle to the end or locus point, all the points have equal distance. So that defines a circle. Then how to write equation of a circle? So for example, if we draw one small triangle inside the circle, like right angle triangle. So this right angle triangle shows different points. For example, this is the point on circle, which is P of X, Y, and this is point C, which is A comma B. We can say that in generally the center is A comma B, and this is Q. So remember the horizontal distance is basically the difference of X coordinate, and the vertical distance is basically the difference of Y coordinate. So we can find R by applying Pythagoras theorem as well, which we say sum and square of other two sides equal to the square of the longest side. And the vertical distance is basically y minus b, and the horizontal difference of x coordinate are x minus a. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem concept. It says in this triangle CQ squared plus PQ equal to the squared of third side, which is R, and CQ, as I said, it's a difference of x coordinate, that is x minus a whole squared, plus, and difference of y coordinate is y minus b whole squared equal r square. So this gives the equation of circle. As you can see that here, the equation of circle with center AB and radius can be written in the completed square form as x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal r square. And remember here x minus a and y minus b. It means your center is a comma b. C is your center. Opposite symbols. And the radius is r. So with the help of this equation of circle, we can write easily the center of circles and radius as well. And the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. In this situation, we can say that minus g and minus f is over center, and g square and center, this is minus g minus f is the center, and square root of g square plus f square minus c is the radius. So this is the equation of a circle in expanded or general form. So as we said, the general equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal r square. So with the help of that, if you see here a few examples of equation of circle like x square plus y square, so there is no a and b. It means it passed through the origin, okay? Main center are 0, 0. Here you can write 0, comma 0. And radius r square. Remember this represent 25 represent r square. Like here r square equal 25. So what is radius? So if r square equal 25, take the square root on both sides. That means your radius is 5. So here 5. Same as here, center is given, which is 2 and 1. Always write the opposite sign. Like here, if it is minus, so we'll consider as plus 2 and plus 1. That is the center. And radius is now r square is 9. So square root of so next third part of this statement is x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equals 16. So here the center of equation is, look, it is plus 3 and plus 5. So we will write the opposite symbols like minus 3 comma minus 5. Because as I said, if we have x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal r square, so your center is a comma b. It means opposite symbols of a and b here. Here you can check in the circle, it is minus a, like x minus whole square, but here we are writing in center a comma b. So always opposite signs. And whereas the radius r square here is 16, that means r must be 4. Next, the center is minus 8 and minus 6. Look, plus 6, so I'm writing minus 6. And then your r square is 49. And once we take square root, so it gives us 7. Means our radius is 7. Next, here x square and there is no b or no a point. That means it passed through x coordinate from the center, like 0. And there is a y coordinate which is minus 4. So our center is 0 comma minus 4 and the radius is square root of 4 gives us 2. And lastly we have the center of this is minus 6 and it passed to the region of y, so it gives me 0. And the 64, so square root of 64 gives us 8. It means r equal 8. I hope so it is clear. Here we have few questions related to equation of circle. So find the center and radius of each of the following. So first, if you see, it straight away says x squared plus y squared. It means there is center 0, 0 because there is no x minus a whole square or x minus 2 whole square or x plus 1 whole square. So straight away we can say that center of this circle is 0, 0, means it passed through origin, okay, origin of x and y. Like if you have maybe your center is passed like this, so your x and y both are represent center, and the r square is here equals 16. So just take square root both side, that means your radius is 4. If we check the next part, which is 2, this is not equation of a circle. Like, for example, in generally, your equation can be like that. Like these are the forms, x square plus y square is equal to r square. This circle represent it pass through the center. But if it is not pass through the center, then your equation of circle generally, it is like that. X minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared is equal to r power 2. So this question number 2 does not show like these type of forms. Means either it could be the completing square form or x square must be along. So divide to both side, like divide to left and right both, 2, 2 and 2. You will get what? X squared plus y squared equal 9 over 2. Now it's easy to say what is the center. Center is 0, 0. So we can say that center is 0, 0. And our radius r square equal 9 over 2. That means we are looking only r. So just take square root, fine. So once you take square root, so r would be equal to 3 over square root of 2. So this is your required answer. If we move on next, question number C, here center it away, we can say that at 0, x coordinate is 0, like it passed through the origin of x, and there is a number y minus 2, so we always write opposite sign. So this is our center, and r square is equal to 25, that means r is equal to 5. And if we check the last one, this is exactly that form, means our center is 5 comma minus 3 and radius r square equal 4. So once we take square root, that gives us r is equal to 2. Next question is x plus 7 whole square plus y square is equal to 18. So here our center of circle, because as we are looking two things, one is center of circle and other thing is radius. So center of circle is minus 7 comma 0 and the radius r square equal 18. So we will take square root on both side. That gives us r is equal to square root of 18. R, if we can simplify, like 3 multiply 3 multiply 2, that gives me 18, and r we can say that 3 is square root of 2. So this is your required radius. And if we move on next, again, still if you check the right side F part, there is two bracket open x minus 3 whole square. So if you remember the form of like equation of circle is x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared is equal to r square. So there is no 2 or any constant before this bracket. So we will remove 2 first. Okay, divide 2 throughout the equation. Once you divide, it gives you x minus 3 whole squared plus y plus 4 whole power 2 equal 45 over 2. Now we can say easily our center of circle is what here. So center is plus 3 comma minus 4, and the radius r square equal 45 over 2. So we will take square root on both side. Fine. So that square root, once you apply the right hand side, we can simplify like it is 9 multiplied by 5 over 2, or if you do one more step, so this is 3 square root of 5 over 2, or we can say that 3 square root of 5 over square root of 2. So this is the answer. Or if you want to use calculator, you can write in calculator. So this is your answer of R. I hope so it is clear. We have question number G. It is part number G. It is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 20y plus 110. And still we are looking center of circle, and we are looking the second thing, radius. So for center of circle, I need to know x minus a whole square. For that, I have to complete the square. Like, first of all, we will rearrange. Okay, x square with x square, I will write minus 8x plus y square. With y square, I will write 20y plus 20y. And then we will keep same plus 110 equals 0. Now my goal is to complete the square with x as well as y. So as we know, once we try to complete the square, we always take the half of x coefficient, which is 8. So half of 8 is 4. So we will add 4 square and then subtract as well. This is rule. Same case we will apply with y, like y square. Here the coefficient of y is 20. Okay. So half of 20 is 10. So I will take the square of 10 as well as I will subtract square root of 10 and keep same plus 110 equals 0. And later on we can say that this first three digits shows our numbers or terms shows x minus 4 whole squared minus 16 plus first three terms y square plus 20y plus 10 gives us y plus 10 whole square, and simplify minus 10, which is minus 100 and plus 110. And now we will do one more step like x minus 4 whole squared plus y plus 10 whole square. Just simplify minus 16 minus 100 gives us minus 116, and minus 116 plus 110 gives me minus 6. If you simplify all this, okay, minus 16 minus 100 plus 110 gives us minus 6. And take the 6 other side. So x minus 4 whole squared plus y plus 10 whole squared equal 6. Now we can easily write what is the center. So our center of this statement or equation of circle is 4 comma minus 10, and the radius r square is equal to 6. R, we need to know only r, so take square root on the right side. I hope so it is clear. Next H part, we will discuss now H part, how to find the center and the radius. So first of all, we will try to do the completing concept, completing square method. So for that purpose, we need to divide 2 throughout the equation, because we must know only the coefficient 1 of x square and y square. So divide 2 both side or throughout the equation. It gives us x squared plus y squared minus 7x minus 5y and minus 163 over 2 equals 0. And now we will complete the square of x as well as y. So for x squared, I will rearrange x with minus 7x and y square with minus 5y, then minus 163 over 2 equals 0. And now the coefficient of x is 7, so half of 7 is 7 by 2. So we will take 7 by 2 whole square, add as well as subtract 7 by 2 whole squared, and now after that y square. And what is the half of 5? 5 by 2. So we will add 5 by 2 whole square as well as subtract 5 by 2 whole square, and minus 163 over 2 equals 0. So these first three terms shows x minus 7 over 2 whole square, and then these three terms shows y minus 5 over 2 whole squared, and then we just simplify the rest, like minus 7 over 2 whole square gives us minus 49 over 4, and plus 5 over 2 whole square gives us 25 over 4, and lastly, now here it's also minus, okay? This is minus because we solved the first three. And then lastly we have minus 163 over 2 equals 0. So we just solved 49 over 4 minus 25 over 4 plus minus 163 over 2. So this is x minus 7 over 2 whole square plus y minus 5 over 2 whole square minus 100. We can take 100 other side. So x minus 7 over 2 whole square plus y minus 5 over 2 whole square equal 100. And now our center of this question is uh, opposite sign, okay? 7 over 2 comma 5 over 2, and the radius r square equal 100, so that gives me r equal 10. Next question, find the equation of each of the following circles. So in this case, center is given and radius is 8. So as we know that when center is 0 0, we straight away use this equation of circle: x squared plus y square equal r squared. Here center is 0 0. So x square and y square will remain same, and radius is 8. So 8 whole square. That means x square plus y square equals 64. And in second case, when center is 5 minus 2 and radius is 4, we can apply this form of equation: x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So our center is x minus 5. So here whole square plus y minus b. B is minus 2. So that means we can add minus 2 like this way, and r is 4, so 4 whole square. So our required equation of circle is x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals 16. Hope so it is clear. Next question is find the equation of circle with center 2 comma 5 passing through the point 6 comma 8. So remember here, we know the center, but we don't know the radius. So first of all, we will find the radius by using the point of center and the point on locus. So which is 2 comma 5 and 6 comma 8. So as basically r represent the length, so r is equal to square root of 6 minus 2 whole squared plus 8 minus 5 whole square, so which is equal 6 minus 2, which is equal 4, 4 square 16, and 8 minus 5 3, 3 square 9, which is equal square root of 25, and it is 5, so r is 5. Now our required equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So that gives me x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 5 whole square equal 5 square, that means 25. A diameter of a circle has its end point. These are the end point of a circle, okay? End point of a circle. So that means it shows diameter. So we must know the midpoint. That midpoint will represent the center of a circle. So midpoint of AB is equal minus 6 plus 2 over 2 and 8 minus 4 over 2. That gives me minus 3 over 2 minus 4 over 2, and here 8 minus 4, 4 over 2. So minus 2 and plus 2. This is the center, our midpoint. of a circle, and we are looking to find the equation of circle. So a and b are the endpoints, so we can choose one of them to find the equation of circle. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So we have to find r as well. So r is equal to square root of uh, a to the center, no problem, means minus 2 plus 6 whole square and 2 minus 8 whole square, which is equal 6 minus 2 4 16, and 8 minus 2 is minus 6, so 36, which is equal 52. So r equal to square root of 52. That means x minus plus 2 whole squared plus y minus 2 whole square equal r square is equal to 52. So we will write here 52. I hope so it is clear. Thank you for watching my video.